Hello, dear student, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about partners capital account. What is partner capital account? This is an account which shows the capitals of the partners every year. How much at the beginning of the year and how much at the end of the year. It shows only capitals. So there are two methods of preparing the capital account. First method. It means first we want to know about preparing of the method. Yes, part method of how much methods. There are two methods. First is fixed capital method. Fixed capital method. Second is fluctuating capital method. First method is fixed capital method. Second method is fluctuating capital method. In the both method, no separate account is prepared. Fixed may be prepared two account. First account is partners capital account. Partners capital account. And second is partners current account. Two accounts are prepared in this, and in partners capital account, and second is partners current account. In the fluctuating methods, only one account is prepared, that is partners capital account. Partners capital accounts. All the entries related with the partners are posted in this account, only single entries. Here is two accounts है, तो only capital से related, any related to the capital entries are posted only, and here is all the other appropriation. अब दूसरा other appropriation like interest on capital, interest on drawings, salaries of partners, in drawings, etc. are posted in this account. So what are the specimen of the two accounts? Now I will see from two methods. First is fixed method. Now, fixed method, we prepare two accounts. Fixed method, we have to prepare two accounts. Fixed capital method. In this, we prepare two accounts. First is partners capital account. First is partners capital account. Now let's see. This is the partners capital account. There are two partners, three partners or four partners. So all the we have, suppose A and B, A and B. This is particular. This is particulars. First, here is by balance BD. Balance BD. It means opening balance are posted here. Opening balance are posted here. If any partner introduce the additional capital, we make here entry by cash or bank account. Where is additional capital introduced by the partner. Any partner introduce the capital, we are posted here. Like this, to cash or bank, withdrawal or capital, withdrawal of capital. If any partner withdrew the capital permanently, we write here. If any partner withdrew the capital permanently, we write here. Then to balance CD, and we write here. At last, we close these account. We close these accounts. Total, here is total, and these are the totals we make. These are the totals we make and close this account. Now next, second account is prepared, partners current account. Here is partners current account. All the other entries are posted here. All other entries are posted here. A, B, particulars, A, B, and particulars. These are the make the line, and here is this. So first we make here all the adjustment entry by interest on capital posted here, by salary या commission be posted here, if any, by profit and loss appropriation account here. Any other entry which is made by the partner here by, okay, now here to interest on drawings, interest on drawings here, है ना, and here is, this is the profit. If the profit, then here to PL appropriation account, this is loss if any, then it is posted here. At last we find out the balance, then to balance CD, and this is the balance of partners capital account. At last we make the total of this, total of the both account, and this is closed. So we see that in fixed capital method two accounts are prepared. First is partners capital account, only related with the capital entries are posted here, and other appropriation for, then we prepare the second account, that is current account, and all other appropriations are posted like interest on capital, salary commission, profit and loss appropriation account, interest on drawings, profit and loss, if loss, then balance are posted in this account. So in this method two accounts are prepared. Now next is fluctuating capital method. Fluctuating capital method. Fluctuating capital method, only one account is prepared in this method, only capital account. So we erase this. It is no need to prepare the current account. It is no need to the current account. we erase it. There is no need for that account. All the entries related with this all the entries related with this are posted. Now here is only this account is prepared single. Yes, I told you only single account is prepared on this method, that is partners capital account. So we again first by balance BD, if any, here, if any additional capital here, and withdrawal of capital in this side. This is now again all the appropriations are also made in this account, like interest on capital, salary, etc., etc. So by interest on capital, here we are posted by salary or commission are posted here, and same as by profit and loss appropriation account, if here is profit, here in this side all others are made to drawings. Here is drawings, to interest on drawings, to interest on drawings here, to profit and loss appropriation if loss, profit and loss appropriation if loss here, and then to balance CD and the total of this account. We make this total like this, the same as we make the total. So all the entries related with the partner, all the entries related with the partners are posted in only one account, that is partners capital account. No other account, that was the current account, need to prepare, because this is a fluctuating capital, and it means in this method capital changed every year. Something is at the beginning and something is at the end. Something is at the beginning and something is at the end. So this is fluctuate, change. Now we see the question and solve this both method. One question you have to solve. First is fluctuating or fixed. Any one we can solve. No need to questions which is given. I read the question, then solve the question. Okay. Now again, create a question. I read the question, then solve the question. First is fixed capital method. First is fixed capital method. We have to solve the question. Fixed capital method. Fixed capital method. We have to solve the question and we solve it. Read the question and solve the question. Now I read the question and try to solve. Now we read the question and try to solve. This is the question from the NCERT. Question from NCERT. Question number 1, page number 98. NCERT's question, page number 98. Now start to teach. Tripathi and Chauhan are the partners in a firm. It means two partners. First is Tripathi and second is Chauhan. Sharing profit loss in the ratio of 3:2. They distribute the profit and loss in the ratio that is given 3:2. Their capitals were rupees 60,000 and 40,000 as on 1st January 2015. 60,000 for Tripathi, 40,000 for Chauhan. During the year, they earn a profit of rupees 30,000. It means profit during the year 30,000. According to partnership deed, both the partners are entitled to rupees 1,000 per month as salary. It means both the partners is given the salary of 1,000 per month, means 12,000 per year, and interest on capital 5% per annum. They are also to be charged an interest on 5% on their drawings, irrespective of the period, which is rupees 12,000 for Tripathi and 8,000 for Chauhan. This is, we have to prepare the current account. So first is fluctuating method. The partners capital account fluctuating method. Yes, first fixed capital method. Okay, first please prepare partners capital account. We have to prepare only two accounts in this method. First is partners capital account. So by balance CD, what the balance? 60,000 and 40,000. This is the balance. No other entry is made in this. Here is to balance CD. How much? 60,000 and 40,000. There is the total. There is the total. We made a total of this 60,000, 40,000 only. 60,000 and 40,000. Next account is prepared, that is partners current account. We had made to partners current account. Second account is prepared partners current account. Now again this is we have to prepare. Yes, there is Tripathi, name change Tripathi, and here is Chauhan. Here is Tripathi and here is Chauhan. Here is Chauhan. Now here are also two accounts. Particular Tripathi, Chauhan, Tripathi. This is the particular Tripathi and Chauhan. ठीक है. Now first is no balance of the capital, no current account balance. So first is during the year a profit for the year by PL appropriation account. Profit is 30,000. 30,000 profit, that is divided into 3:2 into 3/5. 5 6 ja 30, 6,000. 3 6 ja 18,000. Here is 18,000 and there is 12,000. Next is here given by that the partners entitled to salary by salary account 12,000 of each partner, 1,000 per month of the each partner. They entitled interest on capital by interest on capital 5,000 per month. Now we have to find out the interest on capital. What the capital is? 60,000 into 5/100, 3,000. Here is and there is 40,000, 22,000. Okay. Now again we have to entitle interest on drawings and interest to drawings. How much? 12,000 and 8,000. 12,000 and here is 8,000 to interest on drawings 5%. 12,000 का 5%. 12,000 5% 20 cut 0 600. Here is 8,000 400. This is nothing else to balance CD and the total of this. This is the total of this. Now 26,000. Here is 12, 24, 26, 30. It is 33,000. 33,000. Here is 26,000. Here is 600. 4 or 6, 10. 1 carry. 8, 1 9, 9 7, 9 7 16. 1 1 2. Okay. 9 7 16 and here is 400. 1 3 0. There is 0 2 1 3 2 20,400. This is the partner's current account. This is closing balance of this. So in this method, two accounts are prepared: partner's capital account and partner's current account. Now I again solve this question's second method, that is fluctuating capital method. Fixed, no, fluctuating capital method. Now again we solve this method, and now this, there is no need of the current account, no needs of current account. All the adjustments are made in this account. All the entries are made in this account. So we have to make these entries for that. Clear? Now again we are made this entry to take the situations. Now again we have prepared to this account. We have write on this only single entries are prepared. Now this is partner's capital account. Method is fluctuating capital method. Which method? Fluctuating capital method. We have to prepare fluctuating. Fluctuating capital method. And in this method we have to prepare the capital account. Now again we raise it. Fluctuating capital method. What are the posting for that account? We have the balance 60,000, and then by PL appropriation account, profit was 18,000 and 12,000. 18,000 and 12,000 by interest on capital. Okay, now here by interest on capital 5%, then 5 are 3,000 and 2,000 by salary of each partner 12,000, and here is 2,000, 12,000 of each the partner salary. Nothing is given. Then given it drawings to buy drawings. How much? 12,000, 8,000. Here is 12,000 drawings and 8,000 drawings. Then here is 2 interest on drawings. कितना? 5%, 600 and 400. Okay, now this is clear. No other entry is made. Then to balance CD, because in this question no other entries is there. All the entries are made. This is balance. Now again we have to find out the total. This is the total. Here is 226. 14556. Here is 000, 10, 13, 1789, 93,000, 66,000. Here is balance 600, 410, 9, 9 and 7 16, 1 5 16. Here is 400 and 10, 1 carry 0 213. Here is 1 8 9, 80,400, 57,600. This is the balance. Only single account is prepared, that is partners capital account, and over this question. Clear? Now this is only single account because all the adjustments are made in this balance, opening balance, profit, interest on capital, salary. Here is drawings, interest on drawings, and the closing balance and closing capital like this is prepared. Thank you.